I'm Ping. Today we're going to make peanut butter ribs. First, we're going to boil up some ribs. We're going to place the ribs in boiling water. Next, we're going to add some vinegar. We're going to add salt, boil the ribs for 30 minutes until tender. For the marinade, we're going to use Lee Kum Kee Premium Light Soy Sauce. This soy sauce has been made with pure soya beans and it's fermented from 3 to 6 months, so the taste is just amazing. Next, we're gonna use Lee Kum Kee Premium Dark Soya Sauce. This is to add color and also some smokiness and caramel into the marinade as well. Lee Kum Kee Hoisin Sauce. This is nice and rich and sticky and sweet. So we want quite a generous amount in there. And this is Lee Kum Kee Chili Garlic Sauce. I always like a bit of spice, so I'll just add it in there. I'm using smooth peanut butter. Add it into the marinade. Bit of acidity with lemon juice, orange juice, some water, and lastly some brown sugar. Give it a good mix. And you want to whisk the marinade until it's nice and smooth, like so. So this ribs had about 30 minutes, I would say. So I'm just gonna lift them up now and just let it cool. Now the ribs has had about 30 minutes cooling down. At this point, we're going to marinate the ribs. I'm gonna pop the ribs inside a Ziploc bag. So this lovely marinade that we made earlier, we're just gonna tip it in. Want to give it a squeeze and a good old marinade, rub it in. Pop it in the fridge to marinate overnight. So I'm just going to place the marinated ribs on the rack like so. Just dab the marinade on top. Now it's ready for the oven. We're going to roast the ribs for about 20 to 25 minutes and we're going to baste it with the sauce. So while the ribs are in the oven for the last 5 minutes, we want to heat up this remaining of this marinade so we can actually add more sauce into the ready ribs. I can smell the ribs, they're ready. And just brush it on. That nice gloss on there. And we're ready to serve up. For the last little bit of flourish, crushed salted peanuts and some spring onions. There you have it, my peanut butter ribs using Lee Kum Kee sauces.